umhlophe kwa. Yeah, ulobola. 100K ulobola konke la. Even a million ngabalobola bonke so. Bonke. All of them can lobola. Can lobola. Zabuya. Ibile yawenza lapha. Yeah. That's Panama. Here's the stage, guys. Zabuya, guys. Number one. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, ne.
Okay,
yeah, let's go.
take your bag.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. We have Savannah. Yeah, new stock has arrived. Hello, we have stock. New stock has arrived. Beautiful body, the most beautiful body in the world. Amehla nyoka la ayeke la. We keep it 1,000 ukusejusa la angasho ngo next. Abeka ithanga phezulu kwethanga. Uhlanye uthi hayi, are we going home today? Hayi. We keep it 1,000 ungacabanganga. Lose 1,000 into what happened last night. Lana keep it 1,000 bakubuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni uthi I don't know what happened. Yabona. Hayi. We keep it 1,000 uthi I don't know what happened. Yeah, ubuhle obunje. Wathi ngiyobuqalaphi. Yo, beautiful body. Kyanyiwa guys. Hi guys. Upenguin
Ukhona yagula upenguin ulele.
Penguin ngithanda upenguin yazi.
Sizolokusebenza sihlafuna.
And ungithatha isikhathi ukumnotice ukuthi muhle la mntana. Ena ngazi why ngithatha isikhathi ukuthi ngimbone ukuthi muhle. And mina and have experience. And ngine experience ukubona abantu abahle.
Ngeke bathi lo uvenda last.
Guys, as advertise but uyabhema uyazibhema. Guys, keep subscribing guys. Ngiyayivala le video. Close and out. Untokozo ke manje. The most handsome boy in the world. Yeah, ngivala kanjalo ke. Untokozo vala shiya. Chisa.